I mean, hi Justin, sorry. Okay, Justin here is one of the top 3 finalists of the Voice Quiz. So, can you tell us your story?
So, galing po ako sa Grand Finals for the Voice Quiz. Pero po hindi ako manalo, kaya po. Sakit. Pero po natanggap ko na po. Pero okay lang po sa akin.
And what are the songs that you sang during the eliminations, the battles? What are those songs that you sang during your competitions? You are part of Camp Kawayan, right? And Camp Kawayan, by the way, is the team of Bamboo. Okay. So yeah, Camp Kawayan is Team Bamboo. They are one of our Philippine rock icons here in the Philippines. So can you give us a few words on how is it to be part of Camp Kawayan?
Kapag nabino po kayo sa Kawayan, masaya po, kasi po, kapag nakasama mo na si Coach Bamboo, sobrang kulit. Tapos minsan pa nga kapag naghihingap, nababato po yan ang ulo. Tapos po, pinagtatawanan niya lang, pero okay lang.
So after the Voice Kids, kamusta? I mean, marami na kayong pinupuntang lugar, tsaka mall shows. After Kidzania, saan kanila pwede makita?
Pwede niyo po kami makita po sa mall show po namin sa Jensen po sa ano nga po date? Ayun, September 16 and 17 po. Pwede niyo po kami mapanood sa Jensen. Tsaka po, pwede po kayo mamaya manood ng concert po namin na may kwenta ako ang himig ng buhay ko po. Panoodin niyo po mamaya yung 7:15.
Okay, so ready ka na? Let's just wait for music. Okay. After Justin, we'll be having one more solo performance, and after that, we'll have a group performance by all the finalists of the Voice Kids Season 3. All the finalists, okay? And by the way, we won't be having Joshua, the grand champion for this season, because he's currently having his checkups with the doctors, but don't worry, our pals are here to back him up and give us a good afternoon. Yeah? Can you promise that? Yeah? Okay, good job. Okay, and by the way, speaking of the top 3 of the Voice Kids this season, Justin and Joshua, the grand champion, and we'll also have Antoinette here. She'll be singing Pangako Sa'yo by Virginia Molasses, right? So,
check out.
Okay?
Yes.
Oh, and by the way, the kids from The Voice, they will be roaming around after their meet and greet session around 5:30. They will be playing with you, pal. So yeah, you can take photos with them after the meet and greet. If you're not able to do that, after that portion, you can also roam around. They'll be roaming around with you guys and experiencing Kidzania. So what can you say about Kidzania, by the way? First time you enter, kamusta?
Nung nakita ko po yung place, sobrang nagulat po ako kasi po sobrang ganda. Tapos po yung mga shot po, tapos hindi po yan expected na ganito po pala maganda.
You got your kidzos? Money?
Yes po.
Okay, so after that, yeah, you can spend it around, because not all establishments here in Kidzania will ask, will be giving you kidzos. You also have the chance to spend your kidzos because we have establishments here, especially upstairs, we have the factories up there, and they will be asking you to spend your kidzos in exchange for the trainings that you get. Okay, so you get to make your own cookies, your own ice cream, and lots and lots of things. So aside from singing, do you dance?
Little bit.
Okay, what dance? What kind of dance do you dance?
That's when my contracts.
Sample. Give us sample. 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 Quick lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. I thought to step there, right? Okay, good job. Okay. Just a moment. Okay. Yeah, let's get Justin muna inside. Thank you, Justin. Okay. Now, from the kid star of a viral video, here's the Boys Kids first runner-up, Team Sharon's Antoinette Desmo with her version of